So guys, I am back here today. I have a couple of videos that I want to make today, but yeah, I'll be making them separately. I need to speak to us. I need to speak to us. Yes, there are important updates that we need to share. I will see if I'll be able to do that on this video, but just in case I'm not able to, finish it up, if it's too long, I'll have to, make another video or post it separately. So guys, regarding the last post I dropped on this channel, where I talked about getting few days break and few people reached out. Some don't even care, like, oh bless it. But I know that my real fans that really understand what we are doing here definitely cares. And even if you don't reach out, you must have maybe in your mind say, oh, what's happening to this lady? Or few people actually sent messages, and I'm very, very grateful for that. So just to let you guys know that I am okay, I'm fine mentally, medically, health wise, I am okay, nothing is wrong with me. But it's a whole lot, that's the truth. And I decided to take few days break, and this few days break is not because I want to go away. I'm not going anywhere. I'm just here. I'm still going to work as normal. But I feel like it's becoming too much for me, because like I told you guys on that post, I'm just handling many things at the same time. So I feel like, oh, blessing, before you just and then again, I don't know. I told you guys I'll be having a few days off. And here I am now. I think this is the second day after making that post. And I'm here again. I don't know. You guys are so glued to me. Like, I'm so attached to you. That's the truth. Because I can't just stay like 2-3 days without coming out here. I don't know why. Even me, I don't know why. But those of you that have been following me, if you have been following me for a while now, you'll discover that this lady here, she has passion for what she does. Sorry, ignore the light there. I just have to set up this light to do this video, because if I tell you the time I'm making this video, you will not believe it. It's not up to 5 a.m. in the morning. But because I have a couple of videos to make, because yeah, I'll be going to work today. I have many things, but I still have to get you guys updated. I still have to know what's happening. I still have to be here. The reason why I left my sleep and I said, just dress up, come out here, on the camera, on the lights, and let you guys know what's happening. First of all, I want to appreciate everyone that have reached out, and also those of you that have been following me. I have passion for, yes, even if nobody tells me, I know I have passion for what I do here, and that's because I take it seriously. Regarding the last video I posted about going for a law course, I know many people are like, oh, blessing, which one is that one again? Another master's. Guys, I just have to do it. I just pray that God gives me. It's not easy, to be honest, especially when you do not have a law background. I did my first master's in international business, and I've never done anything law. But coming to the UK and doing what I do on this channel, I feel like, okay, this is I just have to, I've seen what's happening. Especially in our community, guys. Many people are not treated fairly. Many people, I've told you guys now a couple of times, I'll be walking, people are just saying, like, I don't know you before, you're just, because I have this color of skin, you're just coming to me and you're like, oh, this. So I understand there are a lot of them that really likes us, to be honest. I have friends, thousands of them. Did I say thousands? Sorry. But I have friends that are white and they are lovely colleagues. They are great. Like, but yeah, there are still few of them that, they don't just like you for no reason. Everybody must not like you. Not be everybody will like you before now. You understand? So, but that's not the reason why I did that. Why I chose to go for that course is because I want to advocate for some people. It's not about giving you guys the information you want. It's about giving you the support as well, if you understand what I'm saying. So many things are happening, especially in our community, especially to immigrants. Sorry, when I talk about immigrants, or things happening to immigrants, I do not mean the UK policy and all of that. It's their country, so they can bring out policies, if they feel like, okay, things are not really going, or people are coming in so much, they can bring out policies. They have the right to do that. It's their country. Okay, it's not because of that. It's not because I want to counter anything that have been said. No, but there are people, I know what I'm saying. I've been into conversations, I've seen people, I've watched videos online, I know what's happening. Yeah, some things are happening in our community, like, okay, people not being treated fairly, people having immigration issues. Some, yeah, they might be the cause of their own problem, few might not be, few might be innocent. So I feel like, okay, yeah, let me just see how it goes. And my area of specialty is going to be human rights law, and it's a whole lot, it's a whole lot, to be honest. Yeah. I aim to become immigration lawyer, and of course I'll support my people here. Yeah, so you guys just be praying for me. Oh, that's all you can do. Yeah, just be praying for me, because it's not easy. It's a whole lot, to be honest. Like I told you guys, I don't have the background, so I'm starting from scratch, but at master's level. So I have to read up, I have to meet up, I have to catch up with lectures, I have to, yes, again, I'm doing this as a part-time course, but because this course comes with solicitor qualification exam 1, that's a SQE 1, so it's a whole lot. Also, I am volunteering with the law school. If you have been with Nottingham Law School, that's Nottingham Trent University, you discover that they have even courts there. I'm not doing advert for them, but I think that is what actually captivated me. That's why, when I chose University of Derby for my master's, I think then I had few followers then, but I think I told you guys why I went for University of Derby. I've been doing research online. I had a couple of friends that have been to the United Kingdom while we were working. People were traveling. Some colleagues will just call you. They are calling you with a foreign number. They're already in the UK, especially UK and Canada. They are doing their masters, and I have always had it in mind that yes, I would get that. Talking about my masters, okay, but the possibilities of that coming, because I was already occupied. I'm not talking about the money, the financial part of it, because you agree with me that even United Kingdom is more expensive, okay, but for the fact that I am always occupied, I have a full-time job as a banker. Those of you that do not know, I have actually spent like 10 years, no, not up to 10 years, 9 years plus in the banking system. I was at the verge of receiving my 10th year award, okay, before I took that decision to leave. So because I was already occupied with banking job, you know how it is, if you're home as early as possible, you get back home at night. I got kids, so I was thinking, how am I going to achieve this dream of getting my master's without even going for a part-time course, like going back to school full-time? Until when I had that opportunity, I went online that fateful day, and then I discovered a couple of universities here in the United Kingdom. I went through their websites, and University of Derby captivated me. Why? Derby. So yeah, that in this case for University of Nottingham Trent University, I have read online, I have seen that they have the potentials, they have the things I need to grow. So that's why I went for them, because to be honest, I actually thought of, I'm not going to mention, in short, I applied and I got admission. They even sent me books for one of the universities to do it online. This one is like strictly online. But I think I made deposits. I paid some money, but I later asked for refunds, because I was like, you do not really have the law experience, no law background, and you want to like, okay, go for online. So meaning that it's only online. So why not just... So yeah, and Nottingham is not too far from me, so I said, okay, let me just go for Nottingham Trent University, because they have, like I said, they have life court. So if you are doing, but I'm not a barrister, I'm not going for that. But if you are, just in case you want to become a lawyer and you want to be a barrister, they have a life court. So you have that life experience. So you can come, just like court experience, so you can have it. Then, but for my own, I'm going for the solicitor part of it. So yes, you are not registered with SRA, but you have to do the qualification exam, you have to do the experience as well, 2 years experience that is required for it, so before you are finally qualified. So guys, don't come and expect that tomorrow you start, oh blessing, I have this. No, I'm not qualified yet, and I still have, it's a whole lot. But I feel like, let me get you guys updated so that you know what's happening. I don't know, but yeah, I feel like it's right for me to tell you guys what's happening, so that you know that things has changed, just in case I am not coming out here the way I used to. But trust me, I'll always make out time for you guys. See, now I told you guys it's 5 a.m. and I'm here shooting. So first, I'm volunteering with the solicitor. Is this a solicitor or soliciting firm? Yeah, it's a firm, like a life one. They bring life cases. Yeah, so I just want to have that experience, so you see how cases are being interpreted, you see how things are being done. Yeah, it's a live one, you just have to be there. Yeah, you can do remotely, but I prefer going to there. So I've gone there a couple of times from my location. It's not too far, because I am volunteering with their law school, and I'm still doing my full-time job. You see, it's a whole lot, right? But trust me, I'm always here for you guys, okay? All right, thank you guys, and I'll cut this video. I'll post another video, to discuss what I actually want to discuss on this video. All right, thank you. I'll see you on my next one. I know you got all dressed up for the club.